Here's how to send want to buys in ChronoGrid. Start by opening the Want to Buy section. Desktop works best, but mobile is fully supported. Just complete your initial setup on desktop first. Here, you'll find your previous posts, ready to resend anytime, or create a new broadcast. Give your broadcast a name. Next, choose a Want to Buy or Want to Sell post. Posting to the ChronoGrid market notifies buyers, or keep it WhatsApp only. Enter the brand and model number. Those are required. Reference is flexible. Many dealers use it for dials or extensions. Then set condition, stock, price, and style. And add any watch notes your buyers should see. You can also have ChronoGrid automatically create a market listing, perfect when you're selling an item. Attach your own photo or pull one straight from our watch wiki, a complete dataset you can pick from. Choose a saved group, like All or CG, and your recipients are set. Then hit Send, and your broadcast is on its way. That's ChronoGrid.